Chapter 1 of Nursing Aptitude, Nursing Profession in India and Overview. Introduction. Nursing is an integral part of the healthcare industry, and India is no exception. Over the years, nursing a profession has seen significant growth in India, with the demand for qualified nurses increasing rapidly. This chapter aims to provide an overview of the nursing profession in India, including the history, education, and job prospects for nurses. Topic 2. History of nursing in India. The nursing profession in India dates back to the early 20th century with the establishment of first nursing school in Kolkata in 1907. The school was founded by Sister Nivedita, a disciple of Swami Vivekananda, to provide nursing education to Indian women. Later in 1929, the Trained Nurses Associations of India was formed to improve the quality of nursing education and practice in the country. Topic 3. Nursing education in India. Nursing education in India is primarily offered at the diploma, undergraduate, and postgraduate levels. Diploma courses are of two types of general nursing and midwifery (JNM) and auxiliary nurse midwifery (ANM). The duration of a JNM course is 3 years, while the duration of ANM course is 2 years. After completing a JNM course, students can pursue a BSc nursing degree, which is a 4-year undergraduate course. Postgraduate course in nursing included MSc nursing or PhD in nursing. Topic 4. Job prospects for nurse in India. The demand for qualified nurse in India is increasing rapidly. Due to the growth of the health industry, nurses can work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, and private practices. They can also work in the community, providing care to patients in their homes or in schools. The average salary of the nurses in India ranges from rupees 2 lakh to 6 lakhs per annum, depending on their level of education and experience. Topic 5. Challenges faced by nurse in India. Despite the growth of nursing profession in India, there are still several challenges faced by nurse in the country. One of the major challenges is the shortage of qualified nurse, especially in rural areas. Another challenge is the lack of awareness about the nursing profession, which leads to a low level of respect for nurses in society. In addition, nurses often work long hours and face high level of stress and work. Topic 6. Role of nurses in healthcare industry. Nurses play a vital role in the healthcare industry, providing care and support to patients in various settings. They work closely with doctors and other healthcare professionals to provide high quality care to patients. Nurses also play a crucial role in health promotion and diseases prevention, educating patients and the community about healthy lifestyle and diseases management. Topic 7. Advancements in nursing practice in India. Over the years, there have been several advancements in nursing practice in India. The introduction of technology such as electronic medical records and telemedicine has improved the efficiency and quality of nursing care. There has also been a shift towards patient-centered care, with nurses playing a more active role in decision making and care planning. Topic 8. Future of nursing in India. The future of nursing in India looks promising, with the demand for qualified nurses expected to continue to grow. To meet this demand, there is a need to improve the quality of nursing education and increases the number of nursing schools in the country. There is also a need to raise awareness about the nursing profession and its importance in the healthcare industry. And topic 9. Conclusion. The nursing profession in India has come a long way since its inception in the early 20th century. Today, nurses play a vital role in the healthcare industry, providing care and support to patients in various settings. While there are several challenges faced by nurses in India, the future of nursing in the country looks promising, with the growth of the healthcare industry. The demand for qualified nurses is expected to continue to increase, creating ample job opportunities for aspiring nurses. Additionally, the advancements in nursing practice and technology have improved the efficiency and quality of nursing care in the country. As the nursing profession in India continues to grow and evolve, it is important to recognize the critical role that nurses play in healthcare industry. Through their dedication and hard work, nurses contribute to the health and well-being of individuals and communities across the country.